Getting Venmo in Europe is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can get Venmo in Europe. So the process is pretty simple. You need to have a VPN like this installed in your device, and you can simply download it from your Google or Play Store. I downloaded this tunnel beer, and then I will connect my United States VPN with it. So I'm just going to turn it on, and after that I will go to the Google and I will search for download Venmo APK. So I downloaded the application from this website, which is APK Monk. And here I have to tap on this download APK. It will start downloading in my device. Now I've already downloaded it. After downloading, you just have to, install it. It should appear right here. You just have to tap on that and it will install in your device. This is how it should look. You just have to tap on that application. It will, want you to create an account. You just have to tap on create an account. You have to tap on personal. And there you go. You have to type the American phone number. Now, currently, you are living in Europe, your phone number won't work. So you just need to have an American phone number. You just need to have an American friend who will give you a number that you can use for your Venmo account. So that is the only way that you can use Venmo in Europe. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.